The first thing that you should always do when you are factorizing is to look for a common factor. Now in this case, you'll notice that we can take out a there and there and there. We can't take out any numbers other than just the one that is associated with taking out an a, and we can't take out any x's because in the last term there is no x that we can take out. But there is an a in every one of those expressions or every one of those terms. So we can take out a as a common factor. And how it works is you write it down and then open a set of brackets. And then you take that you've written down as the common factor and you divide it into each of the original expressions. That's the technique for the common factor. So there, the a's will cancel and what remains is just x squared. Then going to the second one, that a will cancel with one of the a's in the second term, which means all that remains there is minus 3ax. And then with the last one, the a and the a will also cancel, and all that remains is plus 2, and then you can close the bracket. And you'll notice that the term inside the brackets cannot be factorized any further because of the fact that there is still an a in there. If it wasn't for that a, if for instance the expression was just x squared minus 3x plus 2, we could have factorized it into two brackets as x and x, 2 and 1, minus 2, minus 1. That would have given us minus 3x in the middle, plus 2 at the end. So that would have worked. We could have done that if it wasn't for that a. So don't get confused with that. This isn't a trinomial, but it looks very similar to a trinomial. And you could easily get caught out by the fact that it looks so close. So this could have been, but it isn't a trinomial. That is the final factorization.